Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch back to old icons on iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now you want to go back to your old icons on iOS 27, here as you can see this, I have changed the icons style on my Apple device in iOS 27. And if you have also changed the icon style, here I will show you how can you go back to your old icons. So guys, for that you have to simply press and hold the empty area of your iPhone's home screen and then tap on edit button and then tap on customize, and from here you have to simply check this to default. So guys, as you can see this, there are multiple options. You have to simply check this to default from here, and after this your icons will be switched back to old mode. So as you can see this, the icons has been changed. So guys, in this way you can also switch back to old icons on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.